Okay, I would like to just starting from last time, my presentation on uh, educational management information system with the connection of what um, artificial intelligence. But today's topic including uh, new technology, 21st new technologies in terms of skills, knowledge, and attitudes with education and training teacher, expertise, and official, how to just accept and try to use it effectively and efficiently, uh, the technology. Uh, Education and training, motivational speech. We can starting from Japanese proverb. Uh, if you want to just study 100 days diligent study, it's better to just study with 1 hour with a perfect teacher. Hence, I would like to resume today's motivational speech by using Nelson Mandela speech. Education is the most powerful waypoint which you can use to change the world. Yes, yes, indeed. But our problem is skills, knowledge, and attitudes is the very important aspects which must consider. Mogose Ashanafi also try to express this idea by using Addis Ababa University president. He was Addis Ababa University, Mogose Ashanafi was. And his speech concerning education, if you just education is expensive, try ignorance.